So this is the type of service that you get from a professional shop. I've got this 30-inch MTD Pro in here today with a 357cc engine. It does not exclaim what the horsepower is, but I blowed it all apart to get the flywheel shroud off to investigate a no spark issue. And check this out. Those are the 2 kill wires that should be going to that switch, twisted together and duct taped off. My guess is if I disconnect those 2 wires, I'm going to get spark and this thing's going to pop right to life. Yep. She ended up going and getting a brand new $800 snowblower because someone fixed this, or whatever you call that. The float was just stuck closed, and so I took the bowl off and just a couple times with the float and it started flowing, so I put the bowl back on, and it's time to try again. Okay, so it is now totally put back together, and I'm going to just do a little shakedown real quick. So one last thing that I would like to point out, and I noticed it when I was reviewing the video footage, this side auger set is all mangled. That one's pushed in and pushed in, so I'm guessing it had a big hang up. And that one, the roll pin's broken off, and the bearing is already popped out a little bit there too, so I can't even get that one back into place for the roll pin to go through, or the shear pin. So I'll end up popping off that bearing set and see if I can get that replaced. Probably check that one out as well. Get those pillow bearings doing well. And then I'm going to have to troubleshoot that headlight. It should be on whenever it's fired up, and it was not, even when it was grounded. But I gave it a little WD-40 bath and soaked some of the painted metals and bare metals and wiped down all the plastics, and it's looking good. It runs good. So once I get that taken care of, I'll have me a good little snowblower.